Hello friends, I'm Rashmi Gupta, your Vastu consultant and guide to Vastu Shastra. Every object, living thing or non-living thing, occupies space that is called Vastu of that object. Vastu is the combination of object, directions and time. Today we will study about object. Object is the first part of Vastu and land piece is the major part of it. There are various shapes of land. Vastu Shastra has been referred from Sthapatya Ved, which is a part of Atharva Veda. The lands are categorized as good or bad according to their shapes. Normally, a Vastu consultant is brought in the scene at the stage of designing, but it is advisable to involve a Vastu consultant at the stage of buying the land itself. Here we will consider which shape of plot is good or bad. We should buy it or avoid it. Square shape. This is a perfect square. All sides are equal, all angles are equal, and all main directions, north, east, south, west, they cross from the center of the plot to the center of each side respectively. Such a plot has imperative energy and are considered to be a best option to construct a house. It will give health, wealth, wisdom, peace and prosperity. The square plot is best, but for no reasons unknown, our town planners have uniformly adopted rectangular plots. This is a rectangular shaped plot. Opposite sides are equal. All the four angles are at 90 degree. All the four main directions, north, east, south, west, cross their sides from the center respectively. Normally the plots are made in the size like 30 feet by 40 feet, 40 feet by 60 feet, 60 feet by 90 feet, etc. Such a plot has imperative energy. Although these plots are inferior to square plots, it's a good choice. It will bring health, wealth, wisdom and peace and prosperity. This is a circular shaped plot. Such a plot is a complete circle of 360 degrees from the center. Such a plot will give wisdom and wealth. This is a rhombus shaped plot. All the sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Such a shape can be considered as a good plot. Such a plot gives happiness in life and rise in whatever field you work in and wealth gain. This is a six-sided enclosed figure of a plot called hexagon. All sides are equal and equidistant from the center. Such a plot is a good option. It will give peace and prosperity. This plot is an octagon shaped plot. It has 8 sides with 8 corners. All sides corners are equidistant from the center. It is considered as a good plot. It gives ability to take good decisions. This is a crow shaped plot. Front is narrow and broader at the back. Frontage is less than the width of the rear, although front and back are parallel to each other. This can be considered as a good plot. Lion's head. Such a plot is a 4-sided enclosed figure. As the name shows that the plot has a face big and body comparatively small like a lion. When you enter the plot, frontage is more than the width of the rear. Such a plot can be considered very good plot if the directions are favorable. Which side is extended and which has 90 degree matters a lot. The whole concept is based on it only. It can be good or bad accordingly. Although such plots can be very good or very bad, and it needs accurate knowledge of directions while we select such a plot. Such a plot is called Gomukhi plot, almost in the shape of a cow, where the frontage is less than the width of the rear. Which side is extended and which has 90 degree matters a lot. One of the acute angle is extended corner. The whole concept, even in this kind of plot, depends on directions. Only on seeing that which side is broader and which is smaller should not be the criteria to choose the plot. While choosing Singhmukhi and Gomukhi plot, one has to consider the directions also. They play a very important role. Such plots depend on which side has 90 degree angle and which side has acute angle which is extended. They are very tricky plots. They should not be taken as such. The name may be so, but directions are the main thing which has to be looked accordingly. Now we come to shapes of the plot which have been categorized as bad plots. Triangle. It's a three-sided enclosed plot. It may be isosceles, scalene, or an equilateral triangle. Any type of triangle is considered to be a bad option in Vastu Shastra. The person residing in such a plot suffers from malfunctions of the body. It makes you accident prone, or the plot can be damaged by fire accidents. It invites stress from issues regarding government jobs. Therefore, chances are high of raid from tax department, IT department, court matter, or litigation could rise. It's a circular shape but like a wheel. So, the name goes wheel-shaped plot. This kind of plot is considered not good according to Vastu Shastra, but could be a good option for business, trading or commercial use. Supakar or Surpakar. This is not a good shape as the energy flow is hindered in such a plot at 180 degree itself. Such a plot gives only sorrow and pain. It will increase money losses and invites accidents. Earth Vriddakar, semicircular shape. According to Vastu, this plot is considered as a bad plot. This must be avoided if you are planning to buy a plot for residential use. Energy is stuck at 180 degree only. It creates imbalance in Vastu. It will bring sorrow and pain in life, will stop the growth and bring unsuccess in every field. Pankhakar, feather-shaped plot or Vyanjanakar plot, they are quite similar in their effects. These both shape of plot gives only losses, disease and harm to birds and animals. Hence it invites only bad fortune. This is a beak-shaped plot. Such a plot is a bad plot according to Vastu. Such a plot has one side curved and appear to be like a beak of the bird. It invites sudden accidents, pain and disappointment in your life. May face an unexpected death of family members. This is Shakatakar shaped plot. Such a plot is considered to be a bad plot. It invites lot of health issues and life becomes miserable. It brings hindrances in any work you start and also a lot of hardship in earning for his or her daily bread and butter. This is Visham Konakar shape. Such a shape may seem to us as a square or rectangle, but it's not a proper shape. Hence, such a plot is a bad omen. It creates negative vibes. It gives financial crisis and loss of wealth in business to the extent of rise of poverty. Turtle-shaped plot. As the name says, it is in the shape of a turtle. This shape deteriorates health, increases the chance of accidents or maybe death of a family member. It can also create situation that ends to jail, that is behind the bars. This is a bow-shaped plot in the form of a bow. As the name says, the plot is in the shape of a bow. This shape brings disturbances in both professional and personal life. Business rivalries increases. They will hinder your growth and create professional obstacles. Jealousy will make them find your business weakness and the loopholes to destroy you. This is Visham Bahu shape. Such a shape of the plot gives rise to miscommunication and difference of opinion among the members which will lead to quarrels and domestic violence. Hence, better avoid such a shape. This is a star-shaped plot. Such a plot creates internal family disputes which can lead to legal suits, may lose the case and lose his or her property in the later stage of life. Hence, avoid such a shape. This is a trident shape. Trident is the weapon of Lord Shiva in Hindu mythology. Hence, it's auspicious. But it has nothing to do with Vastu. Vastu is the balancing of energies between object and directions. Such a plot will create a lot of stress and distress. It may lead to violence among family members and an aggressive nature. Hence, don't go for such a plot. It's a bad option. Egg-shaped plot. As the name depicts, the plot is in an egg shape. Such a plot will turn the life topsy-turvy. It invites only stress and lots of turmoil in the life of the owner. It will make you diligent as the work keeps on increasing, but at the end, all the credit goes to other people. Hence, this creates a rigid and timid nature. Frustration increases. This is a L-shaped plot. Such a plot invites only troubles. Frequent visits to the hospital increases for something or the other. The severe pain may also lead to surgery. Such a pain can't be treated by any painkiller, even post-surgery. They are some of the irregular shape plots. Such a shape gives rise to domestic violence. This shape gives mental stress and mental disturbances and mental disability. This shape gives stress and anger. Decisions are not taken properly, not in time, and usually blames others for his or her failures. This is a Pratilom Akar plot. This shape is prone to robbery. It only invites thefts and robberies. Hence, should be careful not to purchase such a plot. There are other various ways to check the plot, whether it is good or a bad plot. I have made videos on that too. You can study them and only then decide to buy the plot where you will create your dream house. Hope you liked my video. Please like and comment and share my video. I have started online classes too. You can join them. I have given my email and my phone number in the description box. Do study Vastu Shastra. Thanks for watching my video. Namaste.